stop listening to gurus telling you to blog like it is 2015. In 2026, the game is rigged against you unless you have the business DNA formula. If you are still trying to make money online by flipping NFTs or starting a generic blog, you are playing a losing game. It is 2026 and the easy bucket has moved. Most people fail at passive income because they are fighting for scraps in trash buckets like dropshipping or crypto trading. Today, I am revealing the high-intent ecosystem, which is a method where we only sell to people who are already holding their credit cards using a tool Google just unlocked. I analyzed the top 1% of affiliate marketers in 2026, from high-ticket travel agents to Pinterest snipers, and they all share one secret. They do not create content manually anymore. Here is the exact hybrid blueprint to clone their success without showing your face. You are tired of searching the internet for the best ways to make money online. Every day, thousands of internet gurus tell you to try affiliate marketing or dropshipping, and they are all full of it. Those things do not work in 2026, especially not in the new era of AI. We need to break everything down into buckets. You have the trash bucket, which includes things like NFT flipping and low-level data entry, where AI has already replaced the work. Then you have the easy bucket, which is where we are going to live today. This is where you can launch a business in under 3 months, earning $5,000 to $10,000 a month using simple skills and fast turnaround.
The strategy we are using today is called the high-intent ecosystem. We are not going to compete for random eyeballs on TikTok or Instagram where people are just doom scrolling. We are going after people who are actively shopping. Pinterest is the best free traffic source for this because over 600 million monthly active users use it specifically as a place to shop. We are going to place affiliate links for high-converting products directly in front of those shoppers. Step 1 is the high-intent hunter. Stop guessing what people want to buy. We are going to use data to tell us exactly what they are looking for. You want to go over to Pinterest Trends and look at shopping trends to see what people are actually buying right now. For example, we can see that the fragrance category is trending upwards. But we do not just stop there. We use the Pinterest Search Autocomplete feature to find the specific long-tail keywords people are typing in. We type in best perfume for, and we see people are searching for best perfume for office or best perfume for date night. This is gold because it tells us exactly who the customer is and what problem they are trying to solve. Now that we have our high-intent topic, we need a product to sell. You can sign up for the Amazon Associates program or other affiliate networks like Impact or Share a Sale. Once you are signed up, you can get an affiliate link for any product. For our example, we are going to filter Amazon for premium beauty and fragrances priced over $200 because we want to target affluent shoppers and earn higher commissions. We are going to select 5 different perfumes that fit the specific occasions we found on Pinterest, like office or date night. Step 2 is the instant infrastructure. In the old days, you would spend weeks building a website and writing articles. That is dead. We are going to use AI to build a professional-looking asset in seconds. We are going to use a tool like Hostinger Horizons. You simply tell the AI to create a travel or lifestyle website that helps people plan trips or find fragrances. You tell it your color scheme and it builds the site for you. But here's the secret sauce. We are going to use a concept called business DNA. When you use tools like Google's new AI marketing tools, you can input your website and it will analyze your business to generate your business DNA. It scrapes your site for colors and images and style so that everything you create afterwards matches your brand perfectly. This is how you look like a Fortune 500 company while working from your kitchen table.
We are going to tell the AI to create an article that reviews the 5 best luxury perfumes for the 5 occasions we identified. We paste in our affiliate links and tell it to insert them naturally into the article. In seconds, you have a high-quality article with a bridge page that warms up your traffic before sending them to Amazon. This is crucial because sending traffic directly to an affiliate link can get you banned, and it converts poorly. You need that bridge page to build trust. Step 3 is visual persuasion. We need to drive traffic to that article, and we do that with high-converting Pinterest pins. Ugly pins get scrolled past. Beautiful pins get clicked. We are going to use a tool like Kittl to create professional product photos. You can upload a standard photo of a perfume bottle and use AI to place it in a luxury setting. You can even personify it by showing an elegant woman holding the perfume, which helps the viewer envision themselves using the product. We create a pin with a strong hook like 5 perfumes every elegant woman owns. We use the Pinterest search terms we found earlier in the pin title and description to make sure it shows up when people search. Then we link that pin directly to our article on our new website. This creates a traffic funnel where people search for a solution, see your beautiful pin, click through to your helpful article, and then click your affiliate link to buy the product. This sounds great, but what if I don't see results right away? This brings us to the payoff and the 90-day reality. If you want to start affiliate marketing in 2026, everything has changed about just how fast you can set everything up. The old way took 6 months. The new reality is you can go from zero to a fully launched business in 30 days. But you have to survive the timeline of pain. You will launch this, and for the first 30 days, nothing might happen. That is where 99% of people quit. They post 3 pins and write 1 article and say it doesn't work. You need to follow the compound content rule. You need to create 30 to 50 pieces of content in your first month. You need to be consistent. By day 45, you should have some clear data. You will see which pins are getting views and which articles are ranking. If you are seeing 0 traction, that is data too. It means you need to adjust your strategy. Maybe you picked a niche that is too competitive or your content isn't good enough. But if you stick with it, by day 90, your existing content continues to rank better over time. Your traffic compounds as you add more content and build topical authority. Your email list grows and becomes more valuable. Your affiliate revenue scales with traffic. None of this happens if you do not start. The barriers to entry are extremely low. This does not cost a lot of money. You can build in weeks what used to take months. You can test niches without a massive time commitment. You can create quality content with AI and add your own perspective. The people who do well in affiliate marketing in 2026 aren't the ones with the perfect content or the biggest budget. They are the ones who picked the easiest niche that they can actually do, execute this effectively, and not quit. So stop listening to the noise. Stop fighting for scraps in the trash bucket. Use this high-intent ecosystem. Use the AI tech stack. Build your digital real estate, and do not stop until you are the category king of your niche. The tools are here. The strategy is proven. The only variable left is you. Are you going to commit to 1,000 days of focus? Are you going to document the journey? Are you going to show up and do the work? Because that is the separator in 2026. The winners lose more than the losers because they stay in the game long enough to win. Get to work.